Good morning, everyone. I'm Betty Rose, owner of BBITS. I'm a QuickBooks Pro Advisor, IRS authorized e-filer, and I have been helping business owners for over this entire month of March. I'm teaching you how to move from confusion to confidence when it comes to moving your money. Not just filing taxes, not just bookkeeping, but real financial clarity. So if you're a business owner in real estate, construction, law, healthcare, or just trying to get your books together, this month is for you. Drop your industry in the comments so I know who I'm talking to. Here's the truth. Most business owners don't have a revenue problem. They have a clarity problem. To break it down simply, 1, mixing personal and business money, where you swipe your business debit card for groceries and don't track it properly. Your reports lie. The tip here is to open a separate business account immediately. No exceptions. Number 2, not reconciling monthly. If your books aren't reconciled monthly, you do not know your real numbers. Explanation here is reconciliation equals matching bank to books. The tip is to reconcile every month, not quarterly, not yearly. Number 3, guessing at pricing. If you don't know your costs, you are pricing blindly. Revenue doesn't equal profit. Profit doesn't equal cash. Number 4, ignoring cash flow. Profitable businesses go broke every day because they ignore timing. Have you asked yourself, have you ever made money but still feel broke? Number 5, waiting until tax season. Tax season is not financial strategy season. Let me tell you what healthy books look like. Monthly reconciled accounts, clean chart of accounts, profit and loss reviewed monthly, balance sheet that makes sense, cash flow awareness, no IRS letters. The difference between the two is bookkeeping equals recording, accounting equals interpreting, tax strategy equals planning. Do you review your financial reports monthly? Yes or no? Here's what we're covering this month. In week 1, we'll be covering bookkeeping foundations. In week 2, financial statements that are simplified. Week 3, payroll and compliance. Week 4, tax strategy and planning. This is a master class for free. Here's some homework assignment. Separate business and personal accounts. Download your last 3 bank statements. Run a profit and loss in QuickBooks. Check if your accounts are reconciled. If you do not know how to do that, that's okay. That's why I'm here. If your books are behind, messy, or you're unsure, I offer a paid diagnostic review. This is not a free conversation. This is where I go into your books, analyze what's wrong, and give you a roadmap. If you're serious about building wealth, not just filing taxes, book a free 15-minute consultation. The link is down below. Drop the word diagnostic in the comments if you're ready to get serious. Tomorrow, we're talking about how to know if your books are wrong. You do not want to miss it. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button to stay informed. Thanks for being here, and I'll see you tomorrow.